welcome back to Our Daily again. And if you are new here, hello, ala, bonjour, konnichiwa, shala. Thanks again for stopping by, and don't be shy to click the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share. And of course, to spread the good and awesome news. Previous in my last vlog, I actually mentioned about our hashtag First Art Challenge, in which we highlighted the top ideal gifts in 2022. So for today's video, we're going to do the second hashtag art challenge, presents to you by AURtistic Creation. So on the latter part, of course, I will be sharing my background as well as your manicurista for today's video. Kasi syempre, I was really a manicurista before. So basta later na lang pala. Just to give you a heads up, I actually don't have any background yet. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa siya na-experience. Though naging manicurista ako before, pero I never experienced doing a nail art. Kasi hindi siya uso. So ngayon, isa-try natin yung nail art because I can actually see na very trending siya for these days. Yung mahawa yung kuko with nail arts and all. I want to challenge myself as well kung kaya ko pa ba or kaya ko ba siya. Later on, I will be also introducing my client. Actually, this is my parang pa-birthday gift na din sa kanya. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung applicable ba yung mga nakikita kong mga designs or minimalist design nail arts sa Pinterest depending on the availability of our materials. So, check natin kung anong kayang gawin ng materials natin for today's video. So, as I have mentioned, I actually ordered from SHOPEE. This is actually set na. So, nag-flash deal sila. Ang habol ko dito is yung mga nail art. Kasi ang hirap naman, o-order lang tayo ng kit for nails extension. Wala kayong materials for nail art, right? O kaya medyo expensive siya. Pero sige na, nag-list na ako. Shop link is under the description. You can visit that one and visit their shop on the SHOPEE. So, pwede nyo siyang tingnan kung bet nyo or not. So, kayo na bahala. Basta kayo na bahala. Medyo expensive siya, but this is something that I think it's worth it. So, tingnan natin kung worth it nga ba. So, parang reviews na din natin for their products. And let's see. Let's get started. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ako ay nalulula. Parang feeling ko short. Kinakabahan ako dismiss. Oh, the UV lamp.
Applying nail gel extensions. And ito na, pinaka-exciting part. Siyempre, nagpa-manicure kami ni Madam kasi kami pa mag-manicure sa sarili namin, wala na. So, ayan, ang ganda naman ni Madam. Siyempre, it's Sunday. At yan, tapos na isang kamay ni Madam. And let's start the tutorial. First thing na kailangan natin hindi makalimutan is i-apply natin ang Lime Girl base coat and cure it under UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Second, apply extension gel on the nail pusher. We have to apply extension gel on the nail molding tips. Use nail art pen with slip solution to make gel smooth. Stick it to your real nail and make sure it fully applying up and cure it under UV LED lamp for 99 to 150 seconds. Right after that, whenever you think your nail is fully healed, remove the nail molding tips and just do it repeatedly until you're done. Always make sure as well that you have to cure it under UV LED lamp for how many minutes. Just in case you made a mistake, you can just definitely go ahead and remove the nail extension gel and try again. Whenever you think you're all done, you just have to trim your nails, shape it, and polish it using a nail file. Polish and polish and polish and polish it until you think you're all set. And next to it, of course, is not to forget using a top coat and cure it under UV LED lamp. And then that's the best time for you to apply a first layer of lime green color coat. You can also add or use a stripping nail tips to guide you changing the color on the bottom part of the nail. And of course, always remember to cure it under the UV LED lamp for 99 seconds. Whenever it dries, check if the stripping tip is removable, and if it does, use tweezers to remove the stripping tip guides. Now you can check and decide if you wanted to add nail art or you're all satisfied. But as of for me, I will be adding more nail art on this. Let's go ahead and continue watching. Applying fake nails with double-sided adhesive. First, clean the surface of your nails because they produce grease. Next, you have to find the jelly gel that match the size of your nails and then stick it on your nails and tear it off the stickers. Make sure to find the false nails that match the size of your fingernails and then hold the front end of the false nail to align the root of the false nail with the root of your own nail and press it for 1 minute. If needed, apply a layer of transparent nail polish. And that's it. I'm hoping you like it.
And here is the final output. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more cuckoo paintings. That is #AURChallenge.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do.